Hello and welcome to Amira's channel. Here's a very quick and easy recipe called Suji Kheer for little kids to enjoy. So before starting, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. We need 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon ghee and 1 tablespoon suji. First, we need to heat the pan and add ghee to it. Now let it heat for a while. Now we need to add suji. Stir it and fry on a low flame. If you want, we can also add some cashews. Now we need to stir continuously until suji becomes fragrant. Keep on stirring. After 2 to 3 minutes, suji will look little brown in color. And if you want, we can also add some cashews to it. So they would also become little golden brown. Now we need to add milk and stir. Remember not to make lumps. So keep on stirring. Now since it's a little hot, now we need to add sugar to it. And stir some more. Now bring gentle simmer and stir it. See, our kheer is ready. Now let's serve it for the little ones to enjoy. You can serve the kheer hot or warm or refrigerate or have it with puris.